ब्रेस्तारा तटरक्षकांनी काबदेराम हांगा एका बुडपी मनशाचो जीव हेलिकॉप्टराच्या मदतीन वाटायलो.
इंफॉर्मेशन मिली डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेडक्वार्टर से हम इमीडिएटली लॉन्च हो गए टू रिकवर द लाइफ प्रीशियस लाइफ ऑफ वन पर्सन. जैसे ही हम वहाँ पे पहुँचे हमने देखा कि दैट पर्सन वाज वेविंग हैंड, ही वाज आस्किंग फॉर हेल्प असिस्टेंस. हमने इमीडिएटली उसको अपने ड्राइवर की सहायता से उसे हेलीकॉप्टर में लिया, बेस में लेके आए और मेडिकल असिस्टेंस फर्स्ट एड देने के बाद उसे जो नियरेस्ट हमारा हॉस्पिटल है उसमें जीवंती में शिफ्ट किया गया.
From the police authorities at around 1330 hours, and within no time, within you can say about 5 minutes, our chopper was in the air, and within 10 minutes the chopper was able to retrieve that person from the sea. Nowadays we all know the sea is very rough, especially after the cyclone which has gone Vayu, but the after effects of this monsoon are still there. So my request to all people is to not to go near to the sea nowadays, because the sea is very rough. The sea will take you, you'll not come to know when you have gone to the sea. And one, it is very difficult to swim nowadays. So the motto of Coast Guard is Vyam Rakshama. Vyam Rakshama, it means we protect. The Indian Coast Guard is ready 24/7 to meet any exigencies at sea. Search and rescue at sea, as you all know, is the charter of duties of Indian Coast Guard. Today, one of our helicopter in this adverse sea condition has saved life of one person. Every life is very important to us. The person which has been saved, he belongs to army. He's an army officer. And his unit is engineers at Ambala.